Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to make this lip balm holder. For the example, I will use this lip balm. Alright, first make a magic ring. Wrap the working yarn like so, and then yarn under, pull through, and now yarn over, pull through. Alright, that's the magic ring. Now we will make 6 single crochet. Alright, for row number 2, insert your hook into the first stitch and make single crochet increase 6 times. So in total you will have 12 single crochet. And don't forget to mark the first stitch. To make single crochet increase, make 2 single crochet into the same stitch. And I will continue make single crochet increase into every stitches until I finish my second row. Okay, now I'm going to check if this already fits my lip balm or not yet. I'm going to place my lip balm on top like this, and if it looks like it already fits, then I will continue to the next row. If your lip balm is bigger than mine, feel free to continue, make one more increasing row. Alright, now I will continue to the row number 3. I will make back loop only single crochet into every stitches. Okay, my row number 3 is done. Now I'm going to check the fit once again. Row number 4 until row number 20, I will make 12 single crochet. Continue making single crochet until you reach row number 20 or until it already fits your lip balm. Okay, mine is done, and now I'm going to make a chain of 40 for the hanger. Mark the center. I count 6 stitches and mark it. Alright, now put this aside and we will move to the seed. To make the seed, make a magic ring and 6 single crochet. Row number 2, we will make 6 single crochet increase. Make 2 single crochet into the same stitch. So in totals you should have 12 single crochet. And also don't forget to mark the first stitch. I will continue make single crochet increase until I reach the end of this row. Alright, move to the row number 3. Start make 1 single crochet. And don't forget to mark it. Into the next stitch, make 1 single crochet increase. Alright, we will repeat this 5 times more. Alright, for the seed is done. Now we will continue to the petals. Make a slip knot, insert your hook and make a single crochet. Next, chain 3. Into the next stitch, make 3 treble crochet together. Next, chain 3 and into the next stitch make a single crochet. Okay, we are going to repeat this 9 times. Alright, to finish the petals, make a slip stitch on top of the first single crochet. Now I will chain 2 and cut the yarn. Alright, we will join it using yarn needle. Insert from underneath. Pass it over the top. And insert down again. attach the chain into the stitch that we marked with a single crochet. Cut the yarn and weave in the ends. And that's all. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.